welcome. I'm starting to do a bit more of these videos. I'd also like to point out it's a bit of a weird camera angle. I'm currently using the Osmo to film because the GoPro I don't have with me because I'm a fucking idiot. So we're going to be filming with this today. Today we are at Tween Hills Farm and Stud. We've got Brian Morris's tanker on the back, which they kindly lent to me. I had to go pick up from James Griffiths's yesterday, and I've got Pride's tractor on the front. We've got the 6210R, and yeah, I'm just trying to get as much of this slurry out as possible so we can put the big loader into the pit and clean out all the muck. I'd just like to know how many of you actually enjoy these types of videos, because I know a lot of YouTubers are starting to do this, and quite frankly it seems to be quite popular, so I thought why not give it a go if you guys like it. So that's what I've decided I'm going to do. So let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea or a bad idea. Purely because I think that you guys, from seeing other people's videos, I think that you guys will like this idea a little bit, which in the long term isn't a bad thing if you guys are wanting to watch these types of videos, seeing as drone ones could be seen as a bit boring sometimes if it's the same thing over and over again. But I suppose with these types of videos you have to listen to me talking the whole time, which isn't what everyone wants to be doing. It's also quite harder to do it one-handed, this, unsurprisingly. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I don't have to do these sorts of videos if you don't want me to, but I just thought it could be something a bit different that you guys would all like to see. Currently, at the moment, it's been quite quiet with us, both at Tween Hills and at Pride Contracting. It's got to the time of year where it's pretty boring stuff. The only thing we're doing at Pride is straw chopping at the moment, down at Ed Newton's or wherever. Equally, it's a bit boring this time of year for any groundwork because we don't start for another month or so. We're going to be starting Slurry in beginning of February. This is just dirty water out of a lagoon. It's not actually, I wouldn't call it slurry. At Tween Hills at the moment we've got roughly 200 head of cattle, all Aberdeen Angus, and that's where all of this, you'll see when I go back over there, the Slurry Lagoon is actually just a muck heap. Over where that barn is in front of us over there is where we keep most of the cattle this time of year. We like to keep most of them inside with all of this cold weather at the moment, although it's actually, saying cold weather, it hasn't been that cold of a winter, not like last year, so just thought I would, oh there she goes, just let her blow the last bit out. So yeah, this tractor here is a 6210R. It is roughly 210 horsepower standard, boosts up to about 230 odd. It does 55k on the road, so it's not exactly slow. It's got the auto power variable gearbox. It not unlike the 6215s, doesn't have the big screen over here, which I don't know. I don't mind it. I quite like the screen. My 155R has the screen and I don't mind it, but it's on the hedge cutter at the moment and Richard wouldn't let me borrow it, so I had to take this big old thing. But yeah, this farm here is rough. It's only about 300 acres. We got our other farm over there where the other barns are in the distance, and then we got the big main farm up where it's about a 5-minute drive up the road. But yeah, so this is the, well, I wouldn't call it a slurry lagoon, it's more of a overflowed muck heap, but hey, whatever floats your boat, I suppose. So I've decided, because I brought the drone and everything with me, I think on the next load I'll probably try fly the drone. I don't know, I'll end up crashing it like I usually do when I drive and fly. So we'll see how it goes. Typically at this point I forgot to record an outro. I don't know if that's because I went off to do something productive. I probably didn't. I just either forgot to do it or lost the footage. However, that's why I'm speaking to you now, so I'm going to play some lovely drone footage in the background so you don't have to look at me. And yeah, I'd just like to say thank you all for watching the video. Or comment down below, like the video, to let me know if you like these sorts of videos, as they're, to be honest, a hell of a lot easier to make than the normal drone ones. I've edited this in less than 30 minutes rather than 3 hours on a drone one. So if you do like it, show me that it's appreciated and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, and thank you.